Practical Machine Learning on Databricks by Debu Sinha is a comprehensive guide designed for experienced data scientists and developers seeking to enhance their machine learning skills using the Databricks platform. The book covers the transition from DIY or other cloud platforms, providing a roadmap from development to production. Key features include building robust ML pipeline solutions, mastering AutoML and MLflow, and utilizing data governance and model deployment through MLflow model registry. The guide emphasizes hands-on learning, starting with an overview of machine learning applications, Databricks platform features, and MLflow. It progresses through data preparation, model selection, and training, highlighting the power of Databricks Feature Store for pre-computing feature tables. Additionally, readers learn to accelerate projects with Databricks AutoML and automate retraining and deployment using Databricks workflows. Overall, the book aims to empower readers to unleash the potential of Databricks for end-to-end machine learning innovation. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.